Your versus your. The same pronunciation, but different spelling and meaning. Please bring your book to the class. This is your book. Your book is so pretty. You're very good at reading. You're the most talented person in this class. You're welcome. This is your water bottle. Your hair is so pretty. Are these your glasses? You're very happy today. You're studying English. You're going on vacation. Now don't forget, when texting or writing, how important it is to spell it correctly. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment using both in a sentence.
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about shopping. I love shopping. Whether it's groceries or clothes or jewelry, even furniture. Shopping for anything is so much fun. Whenever my mom or sister or friend asks me to go with them to the store, I always say yes. Now, when it comes to clothing, I love shopping for myself. However, if I am shopping for someone else, I don't like it that much. I've always loved shopping for at Liverpool or Sears. When my parents needed a new table or bed, I loved walking around and looking with them. Do you like shopping? What are your favorite things to shop for? Comment your answers down below. Follow me for more slow English content.
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about my family. I have a relatively big family. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother, and 1 sister. My brother is 15 years old, and my sister is 24 years old. Do you have any siblings? How old are they? My siblings are fun to hang out with. They are both very kind and patient with me. I sometimes can be very stubborn and irritable. I am easily frustrated, but they are usually very patient with me. One thing my sister does a lot is procrastinate. She procrastinates all the time. She is always putting things off to the last minute. If she has something to finish in 1 week, she leaves it to the last day to start. My brother, however, is more responsible, but he can be lazy sometimes. He can be a total couch potato. A couch potato is someone who doesn't want to leave the couch. They just want to sit and watch TV and eat all day. But everyone has their own problems. My sister, my brother, and I all have our own issues. What do you think one of your problems is? Are you a procrastinator? Are you stubborn? Are you lazy? Maybe a couch potato sometimes? Let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more slow English videos. Bye. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about leftovers. After going to the beach with my friends, we decided to get pasta. We went out for dinner and we found a restaurant that sold 5 different types of pasta. So I decided to order the carbonara pasta, and it was amazing. But I felt so full afterwards. My belly hurt really bad. I couldn't even finish my whole meal. So I had to order it to go, to take away. I took my leftovers in a box. How often do you have leftovers? Do you like taking your leftovers with you? Or do you prefer to not carry them around? I personally always take my leftovers with me because I hate wasting food. I hate wasting food so much that I eat all of my family's leftovers. If we eat chicken or burgers or soup, I always eat all of their leftovers. As long as we don't throw the food away, I feel better. Check out my YouTube for more slow English. Today, I want to talk about my week. I had a great week. I watched lots of TV series at my sister's house. She has a huge TV and a super comfy living room. I sat and watched TV all day long, but I needed a relaxed week, if I'm being honest. I needed a chill week.
to recharge my battery. I enjoyed cooking meals and spending time with my friends. And this week, I have plans already. My plans are to crochet a hat, exercise, and stretch a lot, and go shopping to buy some clothes for my trip to New York in June. Not May, but next month, June. I'm so excited to see my family in June. How was your week? And do you already have plans for this week? Let me know in the comments. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about grocery stores. And my favorite grocery stores are Walmart, Target, and Costco. I like those grocery stores because the aisles are so wide. They're wide and they have a huge variety of different products. You can find anything you need in a Walmart. My favorite aisle is the detergent aisle because it smells so fresh and clean. What's your favorite aisle to walk down? I also enjoy walking down the dairy aisle and buying ice cream and cottage cheese and yogurt. I eat dairy every day, but I'm lactose intolerant. So that means I can't eat dairy. I get a stomach ache by eating dairy products. But I don't care. I eat dairy products all the time. One dairy product I don't really like are eggs. I'm not that big of a fan of eggs. Is there any product that you're not that big a fan of? I don't eat a dozen eggs. I don't need a dozen eggs. But my family, they buy a dozen eggs. A dozen is 12, but we only use a dozen for eggs. Can you finish a dozen eggs in 1 week? If not, how many do you need normally? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about exercise. I really like doing exercise, whether that's cardio or strength training or calisthenics. I like to feel strong and powerful. For my legs, I like doing glute lifts, squats, and lunges. And for my arms, I like doing pull-ups and push-ups and planks. I've been really loving calisthenics lately. It makes me feel strong. I don't want to be a weak person. I want to be strong. What are your favorite workouts? Do you like training strength or do you prefer cardio? Let me know in the comments below and follow me on YouTube for more longer videos.